You just found the 2023 Ram 2500. The Ram 2500 has what it takes to get the big jobs done right. It's infused with heavy-duty capability, connected, convenient, comfortable, and built to last. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, keyless entry, navigation system, premium sound system, remote engine start, keyless start, heated mirrors, satellite radio. Attack your projects with the strength and power that leaves no room for doubt. Drive the Ram 2500.